SAM Gas Projects Private Limited is an ISO 9001-2000 certified engineering company that manufactures and exports state-of-the-art nitrogen and oxygen gas generation plant for on-site production and gas purification systems. The services of SAM Gas are not confined to nitrogen and oxygen gas plant only. The company also offers hydrogen gas generation plant, ammonia crackers, gas purification systems and compressed air dryers. SAM Gas is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure spread over 1,500 square yards at Udyog Kunj industrial area of Ghaziabad in the National Capital Region, Delhi. The company envisions its presence world over, and it surely needs your support and encouragement to transform the vision into a reality. SAM Gas Projects Private Limited, gasifying your needs.